Welcome to an extraordinary expedition into the heart of what makes us human. In this captivating documentary-style journey, we venture into the often overlooked, fascinating, and sometimes perilous facets of the human experience. Our odyssey commences with a deep dive into the distant corridors of human evolution. While many are familiar with the broad strokes of our evolutionary history, we uncover lesser-known chapters. Explore enigmatic hominid species, decipher the significance of ancient tools, and reveal how early humans conquered the world. As our voyage continues, navigate through the intricate web of human cultures. Culture shapes our identities, behaviors, and beliefs in profound ways. Yet, many aspects of cultural diversity remain hidden. Unveil the richness of lesser-known traditions, the impact of globalization, and the subtle ways culture influences our daily lives. Our journey takes us to the heart of human behavior. We are all familiar with basic human emotions, but what lies beneath the surface is a complex tapestry of psychological processes and social dynamics. Delve into the fascinating world of social psychology, exploring topics such as conformity, cognitive biases, and the mysteries of the human mind. Our exploration extends to the remarkable capabilities of the human mind. Often, we underestimate the incredible potential locked within our brains. Reveal the power of neuroplasticity, explore the untapped realms of creativity, and investigate the extraordinary abilities that some individuals possess. Our transformative journey culminates in an examination of humanity's profound impact on the planet. While we've achieved remarkable feats, we also face ecological and ethical challenges. Confront issues such as climate change, species extinction, and ethical dilemmas arising from technological advancements. As we conclude our immersive expedition through the multifaceted world of humanity, we emerge with a renewed understanding of who we are and where we come from. Beyond the familiar narratives of human evolution, culture, behavior, and potential, we discover the rich tapestry that defines our species. By delving into the mysteries of human evolution, embracing the diversity of cultures, understanding the complexities of behavior, unlocking our latent potential, and acknowledging our role as stewards of the planet, we actively engage in rediscovering the human story.